Hi everyone, in this video we are going to walk through how to create cutouts in a 3D enclosure. Once the enclosure outline is finished, you will notice that some components, like push button or the ESP32 external internal connector, can't be fully covered by the case. In these situations, we need to add cutouts. Let's start with the button. Since the button's contact surface is on the top of the case, we first switch the layer to the top side of the 3D shell. Then go to Place and choose Top Button Slot region. Because the button is round, we'll place a circular cutout. Locate the center of the button, then size the cutout according to the actual button model. For a common tall push button, I recommend setting the cutout radius to about 3.6 mm. Once you set up one cutout, you can just copy it and paste it to the center of the other buttons. That's it. The button cutouts are done. Next, let's handle the ESP32 internal connector. Side cutouts are a bit different from top ones. Here, we first need to place a side dashing line to define the starting position. Make sure the line is perfectly horizontal. It shouldn't be titled. If you want to snap this thread quickly, just hold down the Shift key. With the reference line in place, choose Side Slot region. Since this connector is rectangular, we'll drop in a rectangular cutout and size it according to the connector's dimensions. At first, the cutout may not line up exactly with the actual part. That's okay. Just drag it roughly into place with the mouse. Then check its position in the 3D Pro view. If you need final adjustment, use arrow keys on your keyboard to nudge it. You can also tweak the shape by stretching it longer or squashing it a bit until it fits the connector perfectly. And that's it. We will now create both the button cutouts on the top side and the ESP32 internal cutout on the side of the enclosure.